Ever wondered how those black and white squares on posters, menus, or product labels magically open websites or apps? They're called QR codes, and they're everywhere. But how do they work? And why did they suddenly explode in popularity? QR stands for Quick Response. A QR code is a type of 2D barcode. Unlike traditional barcodes that store info in lines, QR codes store it in a square grid of black and white squares. Developed in 1994 by a Japanese company for tracking car parts, QR codes are now used for everything from payments to vaccine records. Each QR code holds data, like a URL, text, or command, using patterns of squares. Your phone's camera scans it, and a QR code reader software decodes the pattern. Here's what's inside a QR code. Finder patterns, big squares and corners to help orientation. Alignment patterns for error correction. Timing patterns to help your camera read accurately. Data, the actual information encoded. Thanks to error correction, even if a QR code is damaged or partially obscured, it can still work. QR codes gained massive traction during the pandemic. Restaurants, shops, and health services adopted them for touch-free menus, check-ins, and payments. They're free to generate, easy to use, and don't require special hardware, just a smartphone camera. That makes them perfect for marketing, security, logistics, and even digital art. But QR codes aren't flawless. Some can lead to phishing sites or malware if you're not careful. Always check the URL before tapping open. As tech evolves, QR codes are being integrated with augmented reality, blockchain, and digital IDs. They're small, powerful, and only getting smarter. So next time you scan one, remember, there's a whole world of tech behind that tiny square. Like what you saw. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video.